How to optimize a high-level site for mobile. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to do just that by answering the following 3 questions for you. Question number 1, how to edit a sales funnel or website in HighLevel. Question number 2, how to switch between desktop and mobile for a sales funnel website in HighLevel. And question number 3, how to best optimize a sales funnel or website for mobile inside of HighLevel. So we're going to hop out of here and into my demo account inside of my HighLevel. And I'm going to show you a little bit about how to do each of these 3 things. So first things first, you might end up on the dashboard and we want to go to sites. Once we're in sites, we have to decide whether we're going to work on a funnel or a website. So decide which one you want to work on and mobile optimize. We'll just stay in funnels. The functionality is exactly the same. We can pick any funnel we want. We'll just pick out like form. No, let's do one of these that is going to help us see what it looks like by being optimized for mobile. So let's go to import it from ClickFunnels. Let's look at this since we have a page here that it looks like it looks on desktop. Let's see how it looks in mobile. So we'll click the editor. That's how we get into able to edit it to optimize it for mobile. And initially it's going to show us what it looks like on a desktop computer, and that's done right here where it says desktop mode and it's enabled, so we can look at the page and see exactly how it looks on desktop, which looks pretty good. Getting all the way through this was a sales page to sell image packs, of course, and that's all this page really has on it. But let's see how it looks on mobile. So we can just switch over here to mobile mode, and then we can see exactly how it looks on mobile, or what it should look like on mobile, right? And so right here we can see we have it looking pretty good already. We really don't have to do much modification for this particular page. It looks good on mobile, which is great. So if it didn't, we'd have to make some significant changes to it, but we can make those changes that are only mobile specific. And I'm going to show you how to do that here in a second. But let's just scroll through the rest of this page to see if there's anything that stands out that would be problematic for mobile. And it doesn't look like there's going to be any issue, which is going to be good ultimately. It just lessens the work to optimize and change. Yeah, it's good. But if we wanted to change something in particular, like this heading, like say it's too big, okay? So there's one thing or 2 different things you can do. So you can click on it, and then we have it's already set up here where it says text align, and it's got the mobile icon. If we click that, we can see the desktop version. So if we wanted to change the text alignment, we can do that individually just for mobile versus desktop. We can do the same thing for font size here now too, right? We have the desktop version and the mobile version. And since we're in mobile view, it's showing us the mobile view settings. So if you make a change to this, let's say we make it smaller. Let's go all the way down to like 32. Okay. Now, if we were to quickly switch back to desktop mode, it should stay at 42. That's where it was. So we go back there, and it's 42. Now, if we go back to mobile view, it should stay at 30, which it does, which is very cool. So that's how you can quickly and easily modify and change settings now within HighLevel that are either mobile specific or desktop specific. Before they had these options, what I would do is I would duplicate this item, right? So let's say we didn't have this cool functionality. Let's make it back to 42, right? And once it's 42, it's too big. We're like, oh, it's too big. Okay, but I want that size on desktop. So what I would do is I would duplicate it. And then this one, let's say I would say this one's for desktop only. So then what I would do is I'd go to advanced, and I would have this visibility, right? Desktop mobile. And so I wanted this one to be desktop only. I would turn off the mobile version of it. Okay, and then if I wanted the other one, so let's go back to turning this one on. Let's go here too, same deal. So if we wanted this one just to be mobile view, I would turn off desktop version, and then I come back general on it, and I would say, well, let's make this one 30. One should be much smaller. Yep. And then this one's just for desktop, like we said. So then this one I would go back to advanced, and I would uncheck the mobile so we don't see it. right? It's only going to be visible on desktop mode, and this version is only visible now on mobile mode. So we used to have to do that until they added this extra cool functionality where they literally have two settings available for all of this formatting between mobile and desktop. So no, you no longer really have to do what I just showed you, but that's how we did it before. So we go from here to here by using two different elements that were resized and only visible on one or the other. But now we have the ability to do the actual changes within each element, within each setting for mobile and desktop, and it makes it a little slicker, a little smoother, and you have to do the whole duplication process. All right, so again, appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video today as always. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment with your question below this video, and I'll do my best to answer it for you in a timely manner. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.